I am Judel Manalo. I am the Managing Director of Note Electronics Dongguan. I had been in the company since 2009. The core business of Note is electronic manufacturing services. We are offering service from early prototyping to serial production and advanced after sales for both PCBA and box build. We are a public company listed in the Stockholm Stock Exchange. Globally, we have approximately 1,400 employees, 12 manufacturing sites, with an annual revenue of 369 million USD in 2024. Note China was established in 2009. As of now, we have 210 full-time employees. Because of the rapid growth with more challenging tasks in managing both our supply chain and production, the previous ERP system cannot really match our growth. That's why we had chosen Monitor as our ERP. We had started using Monitor since 2010 with G4. Since then, Monitor has changed integral part of our growth and success. Last year, 2024, we had transitioned to G5. Monitor has been very reliable, flexible, and customizable for our needs.
我叫 Harry，2024年初加入 Note 公司，任 IT Supervisor 一职。我们目前在使用 Monitor ERP 的部门有生产部、采购部、销售部、财务部和仓储部。Monitor ERP 采用统一的底层数据库，集成了生产、采购、销售、仓储、财务的模块，通过统一的编码规则，确保跨模块数据的一致性。在自动化和流程衔接方面尤其出色，例如生产缺料时呢，自动触发采购流程，库存数据实时更新至销售模块，从而减少了很多人工干预。Monitor 顾问和我们的 Key User 一起，针对每一个模块呢，逐一进行了反复的验证，并帮助我们搭建了多个测试环境，及时开发了相应的定制报表，极大的提升了工作效率。
我是仙女 PMC 的助理经理，在诺特工作13年多了。对于我们 PMC 来说，主要工作是物料管控及生产计划控制。Monitor 这里物料管控我们用的最多的就是 CDT。收到客户订单，我们首先会通过销售订单录入这个模块里的 CDT 去查看物料利摊是否能满足这个订单需求，能满足的开始建生产工单，不能达成的那这个订单就得做交期调整，避免物料提前进料。当然，前期我们也会对销售预测进行评估再入系统，这就是我们前期的物料需求计划控制。生产计划控制主要用到 Monitor 的模块有 Work Center Register 生产日历、 Loading Plan， 还有查看欠料的 Material Clearance。 通过 Loading Plan 我们可以查看设备工时及人力工时是否能满足月计划，在系统将月计划平衡到周计划及日计划。货仓根据系统的工单日计划提前安排备料，生产部安排生产，数据组报工，成品入库出货，财务开发票及追踪货款，所有这些环节都是在系统完成的。Monitor 从 G4 到 G5， 我觉得功能提升最好效果的是报表导出，批量导出物料，批量修改工单，批量修改销售订单，还有批量出货扣账，这些功能都很不错，为我们节省了不少时间，提高了工作效率。
We are very happy using Monitor as our ERP system and with their services.